Okay, so in this question, I'm going to solve a long division. We are going to divide a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. 12896 is the dividend, and 52 is the divisor over here. So dividend is written inside the square root, and 52 is written outside. Okay, so 12 is less than 52, so we want to divide 128 by 52, which is quite a bit difficult. So we are going to use the estimation method. For estimation method, we have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So 128 can be written as 130, and 52 can be written as 50. We have to make the unit number as 0. So instead of dividing 128 by 52, we would be dividing 130 by 50, and we get the number 2. So now we know which number to multiply by 52. 52 multiplied by 2, answer would come out to be 104. So after subtracting, we get 24. As 24 is less than 52, so we would take down the number 9. And now we have to divide 249 divided by 52. So using the same estimation method, we would turn 249 approximately to 250, and we would divide 250 by 50 rather than 249 by 52. So the number comes out to be 5. So now we would be multiplying 52 multiplied by 5, and the answer is 260. But as we can see, 260 is bigger than 249. So now we would multiply 52 by 4, a number less than 5. So 52 multiplied by 4 gives us 208. Sorry. So after subtraction, we will get number 41, which is less than 52. So we would take down number 6. So now we have to divide 416 divided by 52, which is quite a bit tedious task. So we would use our estimation method and turn 416 to 410. So now 410 divided by 50, we would be getting approximately 8. 5 8s are 40. So now we would multiply 52 by 8. To the 16, 8 5 40, 41. So 52 multiplied by 8 gives us 416, and the remainder is 0. So now we know our final answer, which is called the quotient, is 248, and remainder is 0. So estimation method is one of the many methods to use for long division.